Hey lovelies, I'm back with another video, and this is a familiar face. This is the beautiful little girl from the halo video where she had a few bald spots and I covered them in this video with braids and doing a halo. Well, guess what? Those spots are gone. They have grew in. Her hair was blow dried in both videos, so look how much length she has now. Like, her hair has grown tremendously. Lately, we have been doing basic hairstyles on her hair. She is also a tender-headed baby, and her worst spot is the back of her head. She's her most tender in the back, around the nape, but pretty much the back of her head in total is very tender for her. So we try to do very quick hairstyles, and her mom picked out this large feed-in braid hairstyle that is very popular with not only children but adults as well, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that hairstyle for you guys. I also have another video doing the same hairstyle on someone else on my channel, but I thought I would still record it and let you guys see the growth in her hair and how it's been growing since I've been braiding it, and see how this hairstyle looks on a little girl as well, so you can get a little view of both ends of the spectrum on an adult and a baby girl. So make sure you share, like, and subscribe and comment. I try to reply back to all my comments and interact with all of my subscribers. So I'm done talking, so you guys can enjoy the rest of the video. For those who's wondering, yes, she still sucks her thumb, but because we keep her hair braided in these type of styles, she can't get to her hair to like twirl her fingers around it and kind of like pluck out her hair. So her hair has been growing back even though she's still a thumb sucker. So now we're on our last braid, and as you see throughout the video, I'm using kinky hair to braid her hair. I like to use kinky hair because she has a 4C texture hair type, and it just blends well with her hair type. Compared to the Kanekalon braiding hair, the Kanekalon braiding hair is more on the yaki straight side compared to the kinky hair, which is more curly and it has more texture, so it blends in more flawlessly with her hair, especially when this hairstyle starts to get old. So I use kinky hair so everything can mesh and blend in and look, you know, like her own, as natural as possible. And then I go ahead and curl the ends and dip it in boiling hot water, and I do her edges with even New York edge control, and I follow up with some got to be glue gel to make sure that everything stays in place. It kind of makes the hairstyle last longer, like on her edges, is in the back, all of the places that doesn't have too much tension in it that can, you know, her hair can curl out of. I'll put the got to be glued there, and then I take that one piece of braid that I didn't curl and wrap it around her ponytail, and then I'll use some mousse. She loves the mousse. That's what she was just asking for. She was asking for the mousse, but I told her, hold on, I have to put the got to be gel on your hair, and I'm gonna follow it up with the mousse and some wrap strips to lay everything down in place. And you can blow dry it, or you could just let the wrap strips, you know, set in the mousse with some oil sheen as well, and you'll see a nice shiny finished product. It gives the hair a nice luster once done. So this is the finished product. I kind of was trying to do the stitch braids, but I had to quickly get out of this little girl's hair, so it was like an attempt, but who knows, it still kind of look a little stitchy, we don't know. Anyways, she really loves her hair and I love it too, and it fits her really nicely. So thank you for watching, lovelies. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and until next time, later.